Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 2000, that is reverse prefix of word, and in this we'll be on a zero index string word and a character ch, and we have to reverse the segment of word that starts at index 0 and ends at the index of first occurrence of character inclusive, and if the character ch does not exist in word, we do nothing. Okay, for example, if we are having a b c d e f d and my given character is d, so what I need to do is I need to reverse this first string because the first occurrence of d is at the third index, and I need to reverse it from 0 to 3. Okay, and so just this is the good thing which we need to do. Okay, so let's firstly form the letters array from the word that will be equal to word dot to character array, and then we'll traversing in this array. Left for that, let's have an index equal to 0, and then while my index is less than word dot length, what I'll be doing is if I'll be checking that if my letters index is equal to my character, in that case I need to break from the while loop, else I'll be increasing my index. Okay, and now firstly I'll be handling that condition that if the character does not exist, so in that case it will be like if uh, index is equal to the length of the word, in that case I have to return just the original string, that is word, return word, else I need to reverse from the I'll pass the letters array, the zeroth index and the rightmost index, that will be ind. And okay, now let's quickly write this function, that is private static void, oh not static, private void reverse, and it will be taking parameters as character letters array, int left and int right. Okay, so now my while left is less than right, what I'll be doing is I'll be storing my left character in my temp variable, that is letters left, and in my left I'll be updating it with right variable, that letters right, and in my letters right I'll be updating it to my temp variable, and then increment left pointer by 1 and decrement right pointer by 1, and at the end what I'll do, I'll just return a new string from the current letters array, new string from the letters. Okay, and now let's just run it. Okay, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.